megalayapost.news.
Kabor sensia desik jong kariboy menta kasngi rengkat kaniti ayong kilasiam na kasenjam ban pelong ni kata kasampur nata abian saman ban pengkub burom kerpang nagamta kitu kinung tre ki badan benta hakmat ban kentiu ne wanra kajingkela hakani ka desring badru ban pli daka akan syahan kum kata kayo ban ailat ki paiba ban peninam mi kitiar bat ki marep baper balapan mi nagani ka desring ya kani ka program bakerpang la pelong HNSCA paham sim dak jingwan simbenta u sembut menteri rangba kajela ubak prestun tensong kumukongsan balas kilang ru dak jindon lang ki MLA kariboy bagan thup yo ba Meralbon sim MLA kanongpo Dr. Sestinendo MLA kamsning ubak Charles Marngar MLA kamauti ubak Sasnes Sutun MLA kajerang kumjuru Abilash Baranwal Deputy Commissioner kariboy district Inong tre asya agan wadi officer sarkar bat kiwei pat ki paiba nong shinong kariboy lengba jong ne kasingi lapun ku boromru ya kinong tre ki bahakmat bat ki officer ki badon benta hakmat man kentiu ya kariboy kabadi kawei naga district kabalyo kerdan aspirational district hakabala pen kamti daki sernot kabalong kum kejing penslur bakendang don kejing kli an kentiu ya kanika district
and farmers' welfare. Out of these 6 key indicators, sir, I'm extremely pleased to inform you that Ribhoi has been able to saturate 3 of them within the timeline that was given to us by the Niti Aayog. But as of now, 4 indicators have been saturated, sir, which are SMP distribution to all the pregnant women, which is being done by the ICDS, electricity connection to all the secondary schools, textbook distribution to all the LP schools within the first month itself, and soil health card distribution to all the farmers. So this has been possible only because of the unwavering hard work of all the frontline staff, many of whom are present over here with us today, and led by the dynamic leadership shown by their respective HODs. Simultaneously, sir, this has also been possible because of the continuous guidance and support given by the government of Meghalaya. I, as Deputy Commissioner of Ribhoi, am extremely proud of the performance of my officers and staffs. They have gone out of their way in ensuring that these public services reach people in time and at their doorstep. It makes my job, sir, extremely easier when I have such an excellent team at my disposal, which not only includes all the frontline staff, BDOs, research assistant that I have at my disposal, sir. Simultaneously, sir, it brings me pleasure to inform you that recently, out of all the aspirational districts of this country, Ribhoi was adjudged first in terms of its performance in health and nutrition across the country. This has only been again, sir, possible because of the efforts put in by all the frontline staff and the HODs who are constantly guiding them.
Bat kata kolom ban congratulate yang bisa sisit bat kam tam hang ni kilong kami ngai ki bat tre sitom met bat mansir bangin la ya kaban create ya ka history hakini ki lightly ki department kawai lengba jong ka social welfare ICDS kabaar lengba jong ka education kabalay lengba jong ka agriculture ngai kublay sibun ya ki officers habok a district but iginong tray haki department jong ka district ki baper ka jingya tray sitop ilala ya kabanpoy siya kathong banaka hnreu teli kamat kabaka Niti Aayog kalabo lai teli ngilala banpoy siya kathong kamtam ne hakawedey bat kilong kami kiba armet kan mau bah ka government ka state government ngila sim yik initiative nadu hajar katra bat menta terte ban ngan yathu yapi ba kajing klan jong kilong bi hakapor bakha hakapor bapun kala nang duna hang ni hapo kajela kajogi bat ya kajing klat kajongki ngilala ban penhiar haduk kata hakabanga next kem satang katu kat ni teligis nem nang ni serpan ngila ya kaban penpoi syaka 0%. Bat kani kalong day da kajing tray sitom lang jompi paro kum kilong kumi ki volunteers ki bayad haki ying ki sem haki snong ki tau bat kumju haka blok bat ka district hi barok away dengan kwa ban ai kublay namar kata ya pi paro haka jing sisa kajing ai jongi ka certificate na kamta jompi kampat ya rekat dor bat kikam giba pilale mangasngi dan rei nakaliang jomni ka government ka special recognition ka bangi ai sapi bat nginang ya trei sitom langru rengkat ban rat yakini kijing ban rat yakini kijing tunjuk kijing ele bat kinong sun kibawan hapo ka district ka jompi bat kumjuru hapo kajela jongi barok away teki long kami bai it khot jong ka SSG ka government ka don rengkat bat pi tongin ya trei sitom lang yakini ki por ke bandangwan bun ki social activities ki ban nakaliang jong ka state bat ka central government ka bangila initiate kasa menta sahaki district bat haki block bat kabakadu haki snong gitau jongi bangin penrung ha kitliu ying jong ki pait ba jong ke jela megala jongi barokawi ngasku tenat sibune ba ka district ke jompi ka bengi ong ka aspirational ribhoi district kala keu bonsha haki benta taro mensua ka de ka jisya ba ka district ribhoi ka khamsa de rengai i ba menta ka jingkela kalabon banyo i ya ka jingbit ka jingbiang ka jingroi ka jingpang haki benta ki ba pher ban nakaliang jongi ka sarkar nginum thia nginya trei sitom rengkat ro bat kinomai khmat ba i jompi ki ba don lang menta nginya trei sitom nginya du thia nginya du den kenang baka dekat district ke jompi haka bakadu kan long ka district ka ba paunam hapo ka jela megala jongi barokawi
Meghalaya Post.news